Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Friday the 12th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to review some more geometry today. Here we go. Your exam will be next Tuesday in this class, so please work hard today. Please work hard next Monday, and then study and be ready for your test on Tuesday. Nothing to turn in. Incompletes. Let's see what we have here. Okay, Jaden, anything? Of course, Jaden, you're probably not in the room. You're probably traveling with the basketball team, but I'll go ahead and say this, Jaden, anything that is on here that you're missing, you have until next Friday. Libby, if you've not taken quiz 9, then please take it today. Guys, I've not been to Berean for a couple of days, so if you've done any of this and turned it in, please don't be discouraged, like, why is my name still up here, okay? If you've turned it in, don't worry about it. So Libby, quiz number 9, by today. Sarah, quiz number 10 by today. And then this assignment here has got to be turned in by today. And then those that missed the test on Wednesday, you must take your test by today. Those that didn't finish your test, you need to finish it by today. Okay, so there we go. And let's continue on with more announcements. Review for exam. That's what we're going to do today. Like yesterday, we will just be taking notes today. So please push yourself. Remember, the semester's almost over. Please take really good notes, okay? Now, the two instructional videos for today are Geometry Track 2 Fall Semester Review Part 3 and Geometry Track 2 Fall Semester Review Part 4. Notice Miss Chambers, the Part 3 video gets started here, the Part 4 video gets started here, and here's the total time. And whenever I give you the total time, I am taking into consideration this right here that we've taken out. So one video is 31 minutes, the other video is about 15. So you might get them both done in class, you might not. If you don't, students, you know it's your job to go home over the weekend and finish this video. Please do that. And you know why you ought to do that? Because I might give you a pop note quiz like I'm going to do right now. Okay, so here we go. Before we start the review videos today, here's what we're going to do. Miss Chambers, I want you to make sure all the students are spread out. The only thing they're allowed to have are their notebooks, okay? It's going to be an open note quiz / homework grade, okay? So I want all the students to spread out. So please spread the students out. You can pause the video, and then once everyone is spread out, then go ahead and restart the video. Okay, students, here we go. You need to get out a blank sheet of paper, put your name on it, and get your notes out. Now, I'm going right in order of your notes. If you took really good notes yesterday, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. If you didn't, then you won't. Now, students, remember, I'm not testing you on your ability to do math. I'm evaluating you on your note-taking skills. So yesterday, if you look through your notes, there was a problem like this. Okay, where you were looking for a pattern. Next was number 22. Okay, I want you to put on your piece of paper, label it number 1. Don't label it 22. Label it number 21. And I don't want you to work the problem out. I just want you to show me that you took notes. So I want you to copy the problem. Whatever the problem was, just copy the problem right here. And that's all you have to do. I'm just making sure you're taking notes. Okay? So go ahead and do that this time. If I go too fast, then pause the video. So in your notes, you should have had a problem like this, where you were trying to find the next two numbers in the pattern. Then there was a problem over here in your notes, labeled number 22. I want you to write out that problem right here. And if you want to put the answer, that's fine, but you don't have to, just the problem. Okay, I'm going to move on. So if you need to pause the video, feel free to pause the video. Okay, next, as you continue through your notes, you should find a problem like this. I am going in order. I am going in order. So this will be pretty easy to find. Somewhere in your notes, you will have a problem. Sorry about that. That looks like this. Okay? The next problem is number 31. So on your quiz, I want you to label this problem number 2. And I simply want you to just copy the problem. Whatever the problem looked like, there was a line, there were some letters, numbers. Copy this whole thing and put it right here for number 2. Okay? notes yesterday, you have this written somewhere in your notes. Alright, moving on. If I'm going too fast, pause the video. Now, in your notes, you should have a 13 and a 14 right here. And then there was also a number 15 in your notes down here. So same thing again. And on your blank sheet of paper, I want you to put number 3 and then copy that problem. You don't have to work it out. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. Just copy the problem so that I know you've written the problem down, okay? And then we're going to move on in just a second, so you should know where I'm at. There should be a problem like it. If you took really good notes, which I told you to do, I'm rewarding those who took really good notes. Somewhere in your notes, you should have a 13 and a 14, and then down here was a number 15. Go ahead and copy this problem in your notes. Now, also in your notes, there was you know what, students, I just paused the video and looked, and I think I might have made a mistake. So just go ahead and ignore this problem here. I'm not sure. I'm looking through my notes right now, and I'm not 100% sure what I want you to put here. So just skip this. So far you should have on your blank sheet of paper a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. And let's go on to our last problem, number 4, and I apologize for that. Okay, in your notes, somewhere in your notes, you should have written number 24, use the law of detachment for this situation here. Okay, then right below that in your notes, you should have a number 25 dealing with the law of syllogism. Okay, the law of syllogism. So, on your notes, on your blank sheet of paper, that should be number 4. I want you to write out the entire question. This, and this. There should be a 25, and then a 1, then a 2. And if you want to give me the answer, that's fine, but you don't have to. I just want you to show me that you had the problem in your notes. Okay, and that's it. Now I am going to move on. I'm probably going too fast, so just simply pause the video, okay? And then when everybody's ready, that'll be it, okay? Ms. Chambers, that's it. Go ahead and collect these at this time if everyone's done again. If not everyone's done, then pause the video. Wait till everyone's done, then simply restart the video, okay? Alright, make sure your names are on these, please. Check right now. Make sure your name is on there. Go ahead and turn these in. Ms. Chambers, please send me an email with those that are absent today so I won't count this activity against them. Alright, that's it, guys. Have a good day. Go ahead and get started with your 2 instructional videos.